Now swipe up your phone like this. Here is it, just now play it. In this video I will show you how to play YouTube video in background like this. To do that, all you have to do, after you open your phone, go to YouTube. So don't open the YouTube app, long press your hand on the YouTube app and tap on this app info. In this app info, all you have to do is scroll to down, come to this section which says display over apps. So tap on it and allow. Now close the settings. Now go to your Chrome browser or any browser. After you open your Chrome browser, go and search for YouTube app and search for the video that you want to play. So as you can see now, I came to YouTube. I will just search for the video that I want to play on background. Here is the video that I want to play on background. Here is it. If you want to play the video, all you have to do, tap on the video. After you open the video, all you have to do, tap on this three dot at the top right side. Scroll to down and tap on this desktop site. So after you turn your Chrome browser to desktop site, all you have to do now, close your Chrome browser or play the video and close your Chrome browser. Now swipe up your phone like this. Here is it, just now play it. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.